Welcome. This is Neco year 2019 English test of oral past question. Question number 33. We are still using the same instruction to answer this question number 33, where we are looking out for rhyme. The option that rhyme with the given word. And the given word here is called recite. Remember, I told us that we have two ways to rhyme. Now, in this way, we have two syllables. So take note of that. Two syllables. Then we have option A. Option A is pronounced as receipt, not receipt. Yes, the P is silent. Receipt. The P is what? Is silent. Long A here. The P is silent. Then remember, we have two syllables here too. Then option B is pronounced as relief. Then remember, we also have two syllables in this. Then option C has two pronunciation. Then it belongs to two different grammatical class, verb and noun. So if it is a verb, then it is pronounced as remit, and the stress position is on the first syllable. Two syllables too, but on the first syllables. Then if it is, let's say, verb, it is a verb. Then if it is a noun, it is pronounced as remit, and the stress fall on the second syllable. Then it has two syllables too. Then option D is pronounced as reset. Then two syllables. Then option E is pronounced as option E is pronounced as rewrite, and rewrite is transcribed as rewrite. Then it has two syllables. Now, the correct option here is option E, because option E rhyme with the given word I and I recite, rewrite, and both of them have their stress position on the first syllable. So they belongs to verb. Rewrite belongs to the class of verb. Recite belongs to the class of verb too. Thank you and God bless you. And ensure you subscribe for more of our videos.